Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Well, I just want to show you how a usual morning looks like for me, because I'm currently uploading at the same time to various platforms. As you can see, I've started the uploader. I've created some designs early this morning and also yesterday evening, and I'm currently uploading these designs at the same time to Redbubble, Spreadshirt.com.co.uk, uploading to TeePublic, Society6, Zazzle, Shirty, Threadless, and Fine Art America. I'm not uploading to Teespring at the moment because I've used my 1000 designs that I've got on the platform, so now I need to wait until I sell more designs or products so that I can get to the next tier, because they've got a tier system as well. I'm not uploading to Amazon Merch because I already have my 25 products online and I'm only leveled or tier 25 at the moment, and I've just tiered up from tier 10 to tier 25, so I'm just waiting for the next tier up. And Displayed, they do not accept any new applicants at the moment, as far as I know. So I've tried and was told that they are full at the moment and that they'll let me know as soon as they accept new applicants or new artists on their platform. And then Printful, well, this is the one that is linked to Etsy. And I do this a bit separately because every listing on Etsy costs money. So I really am very selective about the designs that I'm actually uploading on Printful, on Etsy, I mean. Yeah, this is just what I wanted to show you. I mean, there's no way I could do all of that manually. As you can see, for example, on Spreadshirt, I'm uploading every day 20 designs. So that's on its own is fine, but I couldn't even, doing Spreadshirt.com and then .co.uk at the same time. That would take it to 40 designs. If I then do it on Redbubble, and this only shows 32 designs for Redbubble at the moment, but I will upload a few more in a few minutes so that I will get to the 60 that I've got per day. And all of this, it just takes hours and hours to upload. So I've actually just started this and can do other things in parallel, because this will do all the work for me. So I'm really happy with this upload tool. It's called Flying Upload. And if you want to check it out, there's a link in the description. You can get a free test version. And it really takes a lot of work off you if you're serious about this business, if you're uploading a decent amount of designs every day or at least regularly. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, then please smash the like button. And if you do not want to miss anything or any updates with regards to my print-on-demand journey, and if you want to learn more about my mistakes and successes, then please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.